just generally cybersecurity and data privacy continue to be a huge issue for companies of all sorts, and that's both because it's a business issue, but what's driving that is just consumer concern over privacy. And because of that, our clients are reacting and having to deal with those issues. And it comes up in a lot of different ways, but some of the more topical things that are going on with it, if you're doing business overseas, and a lot of our clients do business overseas, they're having to deal with compliance with European data privacy, and the rules in that area have recently been changed, and they're about to change again next year. And so our clients are not only having to deal with some existing compliance changes, but they're also having to anticipate something that's going to change yet again in about a year from now. And it really is just typical of the fact that cybersecurity and data privacy is a major issue, and it's one that has lots of compliance tripwires that our clients need to deal with, and we try to help them with that as best we can. Good lawyers that work in this area are trying to do their best to keep up with changes in the law. Fortunately or unfortunately, at the federal level, there isn't a lot of regulation outside a couple of industries. Financial services and healthcare have highly regulated compliance regimes in this area, but that's only a small sector of our client base. So if you're outside of those industries, you're left struggling with what's really just a patchwork of state laws. And the states, because there isn't a all-encompassing federal law to deal with data cybersecurity compliance or data privacy, are really stepping into this void and making it difficult because you've got 50 state laws they have to comply with, and whenever there's the least little change, you have to step back and say, okay, do our privacy policies, our security policies, do they continue to work given whatever this change is? We do have a lot of experience helping healthcare companies deal with data breaches, and data breaches for healthcare companies and data and cybersecurity compliance for healthcare companies is in one of those highly regulated buckets under HIPAA and certain state laws, and so it requires a lot of care and attention to a different level of detail than say a general business company or general services company. Fortunately, we have a lot of experience in that area because of some unfortunate client incidents, and we're able to use that experience to help clients ideally stay out of trouble in the first place. And that's really where we try to help them most is, yeah, data breaches happen. Oftentimes it's not a matter of if, but when. If you want good practical advice where the lawyers are aware of the need to provide value and be responsive to you, I think we offer a wonderful solution. We've got wonderful professionals who are very tuned into those sorts of things, and we have lots of happy clients because of that.